Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Arngot na pedeng kibalasya keno donkti haka jingsha penyam jong unong khayi na indor Raja Raghuvanshi kila Kyntait ban phla ne ban a Jubab halor ka jing donkti jongki Hakhmat Magistrate. Superintendent of Police uba Herbert Karkongor uba kli ya ka Special Investigation Team ulai thu ya ka ni haka singi palei ka arpun reutrek ujalio arajarpsan haba Jubab ya ka jingkli hatu kibriu kibasya keno kila phla ne a Jubab ANM Katkum ka Section 164 jong ka Code of Criminal Procedure. Ulayatu bau Akash Rajput bat u Anand Kurmi kimshim la a Jubab ne phla AA Hakhmat Magistrate.
So how strong is this case now?
Yeah, we have ample evidence. Yeah, we have ample evidence. Right from the beginning and even till now also, whatever material we have, these are good evidence that we have. But we'll wait for the FSL reports and also these will add strength to the. Like I've said, material evidence are very important. Yeah, and it is the right also not to make a confessional statement. I mean, not all has been said except for two accused.
Who are those two?
Akash and Anand. Yeah, only those two. But then they refuse. So it's not an issue. We still have evidence to prove the case.
So has police started the process of charge sheeting the case?
No. We are still doing a lot of investigation into it. Day by day, our IO is there, special team is there. But nevertheless, all updates are being taken. And once we are ready, we'll charge sheet the case. And like we've said, it will be done within 90 days. The preliminary interrogation statements, and you found there was the weapon that was seized yesterday, that gun, and along with the ammunition, and then that 50,000 which we had retrieved from the vehicle. So these are the things that we had recovered. But in fact, right now we are going to, since we've got police custody, we're going to interrogate more on the materials that were actually being disclosed by the previous accused.
So the weapon recovered, the weapon that you have recovered yesterday, was it also part of this evidence into this murder case?
Yes, because what we've learned is from the statement of of Raj as well as Akash. They had disclosed that there was a weapon in the bag. So accordingly, we were able to get that, and then because see the bag was burned there, and then yesterday we have not got the phone apart from these materials that were recovered yesterday. But then we have sent for FSL those materials, and accordingly once the report comes, we will see what are the compounds that were present in that. Forensic report will be able to tell.
But the phone is missing.
It's difficult. Yeah.
So did they have the plan to gun down Raja, or to use that as a murder weapon also?
Right now that has not been actually revealed, but then that aspect we will be examining.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.